Hi everyone. Since today we will learn how to use CSS in HTML file. There are three ways to use a CSS in HTML file. The first way is using inline styles. The second way is using internal style sheet. And the third way is using external style sheet. We're going to cover all three in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. And let's create an element here. That will be h1. Text will be hello world. To use inline styles, we have to make use of style attribute. So let's use it here like this. Let's give it a color of white and text align should be center. Also we'll set the background color for the web page. So go to this body tag, use style attribute here and set the background color to green. That's it. Now just save it, open this file in the browser, and that's the output. To use an internal style sheet, or you can say internal styles, we have to make use of style element here, and that will be inside this head element after the title tag. Here you simply need to cut this, select the body element and paste it like this. Same logic goes for this h1 element. Just cut the styles, select h1 element like this and paste it. Now we don't need these attributes, just remove them. Here make it dark blue just to see if it is working or not. Save it. Now let's go to browser. You can see it is working. The next method is external style sheet. For that we need to create a style sheet here. That will be style.css. Now we simply need to cut this and paste it here like this. And let's make it light sea green. Save it. In the index file, now we don't need this style element. Here we'll utilize the link element. So you can see we got a link element and it has two attributes. The first one is rel, which stands for relationship, which is style sheet. The second is location of the resource, which is style.css, because it is in the same directory. So we are using style.css here. But if it is in some folder, for example, a CSS folder or assets folder, in that case, we need to specify the folder here like this. But we don't have one. So we'll simply use style.css here. Save it. Now let's go to browser. And that's the output. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.